More testimony today in Dylann Roof's federal murder trial. The 22-year-old's lawyer is not denying that Roof killed 9 black parishioners last year during a Bible study session at church, but is trying to spare him from the death penalty. Roof showed little emotion listening to the survivor's emotional account of that attack. Jonathan Serrie live in Charleston for us this morning. Good morning, Jonathan.
Hi, Martha. In fact, the testimony of one survivor in particular was so emotional that this morning the defense filed this motion for a mistrial. Right now, the defense and prosecution are debating the pros and cons of that. This witness in particular, her name is Felicia Sanders. She was one of the parishioners present at the church the night of the shooting last year. She described to the court how she held her 11-year-old granddaughter tightly against her chest to keep her quiet during the shooting, and how she watched Dylann Roof fatally shoot her 26-year-old son as he tried to persuade the gunman to stop his attack. Defense lawyer David Bruck asked Sanders whether Roof said he planned to kill himself that night. She replied, quote, "He's evil. There is no place on earth for him except the pit of hell." That last statement in particular is what the defense has taken issue with, quoting it in their motion for a mistrial. Assuming the judge allows the case to proceed, the prosecution plans to spend much of today delving into the crime scene investigation following the massacre at Emmanuel AME Church. Out of respect for the families of those involved, the judge has already warned the courtroom that some of this testimony and evidence will be graphic. So far, Dylann Roof has displayed no emotion during the testimony, but his mother collapsed after opening statements and had to be taken from the courtroom to seek medical attention. The court has released demographic information on the 12 jurors and 6 alternates. Among the 18 panelists, 12 are white, 5 are black. The race of one panelist is unspecified. 13 are female and 5 are male, and those figures include all 18 panelists because until the end of the trial, we won't know which have been selected as alternates. Martha?
What a tragic story. Jonathan, thank you very much.